The growth of data and the requirement to keep it accessible and available for longer periods of time means customers are tasked with protecting mountains of data while also reducing hardware costs. For many customers, this is a lose-lose situation. What if they could tier their data and apply appropriate storage policies in a secure and cost-effective way? Veeam Cloud Tier is a sensible solution. Available in Veeam Backup and Replication, Veeam Availability Suite, and Veeam Backup Essentials. It begins with tiering, which sends old data to object storage where it is tagged with metadata to enable quick and easy recovery. The data storage options are practically limitless, and with its effectiveness, customers save storage space and money. Customers want to know, how can I benefit from a layered storage approach? How can I cut storage costs and improve recovery times for large file sets? Can I have advanced data protection regardless of location or storage type? Veeam has the answers your customers are searching for. Visit the Pro Partner portal today or call Veeam direct to discover how tiering can work for your customers.